If you're new to affiliate marketing, you probably know that you're going to need a funnel or a website builder, but which one is the best, especially when you're starting out? I've got you. When I first started affiliate marketing, I started with ClickFunnels. Now their platform is user-friendly, the interface is intuitive, except now it's $147 per month. It used to be $97. Really expensive, especially if you're new and not sure if you're going to stick it out. Option number 2 is System.io. Now they're great. They have a free option to start so you can get your feet wet, start tinkering around, and it's not going to cost you anything. And then if you need to move up to the next step, it's only $27 and it goes all the way to $97 per month. This is great bang for the buck, but they're still missing a few things here and there. Now, the one that I use and recommend is Builderall.com. They start at $17. You can move up to $47. I have the $97 a month. Yes, it does funnels. Yes, it does websites. You can even do email marketing, and you can also do WordPress plans as well, which is super beneficial. If you'd like to try out Builderall, I have a 14-day free trial. It doesn't even require a credit card. You can go to my YouTube channel right here, and you can see that this video just came out here for Builderall for Beginners, the all-in-one marketing where I dive in depth why I like it. And if you'd like to learn more on email marketing, I've got a free course I just released. This is the URL right here. I also talk about Builderall and System.io and how you can use either one of those for your email marketing purposes, funnel creation, and so much more. Let me know if this helps you out.